Slow the fuck down. This is a goddamn parking lot. Chill out. Oh yeah. Run into the car! Run into it!
Thank you.
You're welcome. I fucking hate that. Oh. Yep, let's go ahead and run the red light. You're gonna get a ticket. Hope it was worth it. Ah, okay. Yep. I should have known.
Sorry to trick your mind.
No, I love it. I love a good geography quiz. Oh,
Yeah.
sure. Go ahead. Go ahead. Red light.
We are not.
Wow.
You see, when I drive subway.
Right in the street, jerkface. Nope.
And to elect enough Democrats to
Oh my
pass
God.
legislation, because all of the, I mean, this is what is so galling, right? Again, I hope I've made this clear, right? The question, at least for now, on the extent
Sidewalks
of,
over there.
Of an agency's authority to promulgate regulations is, were they
wrong with
given that
people?
authority by Congress?
Oh wait, drugs.
They plainly were, right? And I just read you the pretzel.
Holy shit. Oh my God. You're in the traffic lane. Good job, asshole. Because you're in the traffic lane. Dumb shit.
Of at least 100 people each and garrison 2 forts along the coast. And if this sounds like rather a lot to do in a year, the contract also stipulated that Narvaez had to secure all of his own funding to do all of this shit completely on his own. How hard could it possibly be to show up next to Mexico and build a few walls? Like, what is that?
Well, alas, Heath, it would be a few centuries yet before there would even be a Mexico to pay for it.
You.
This really was very much like conquest by franchise. It was. The potential for incredible rewards for Narvaez were enormous. Previous
If you were getting her ass kicked in this Arby's parking lot, I'm gonna head over to Wendy's and pick a fight there. I hope that guy's smaller. That's my hope.
Oh boy, here we go.
Throwing the dice out there and fucking hoping.
What happens when you block the bike lane?
Like I said, Karen said today he's physically, so he hasn't taken off. And Barbara Craig actually said.
Oh, that's brilliant.
You're making a joke. I'm telling you, she would be excited about that. Really? Yeah. Oh,
Have a little cafe.
yeah, there you go.
Whatever they might have. No,
What fucking idiots? Move. Oh my God. If only there was a bike lane. Oh wait, there's one right there. That's where you're supposed to ride it. I do.
I was just
Sorry, I can't help myself. It's,
No worries.
it's stupid.
I had that. I used to ride my bike down here every day for years. Way before there was that bike lane. And I'm looking at this like, this bike lane is awesome. I wish it was here when I was
Right?
I didn't all the time.
For 22 years in a rural state, and so has requested that we keep him anonymous. He wrote in previously on Graham versus Connor, which was the Supreme Court case about the proportionate use of force in an arrest, and said,
what are you doing?
I taught Graham versus Connor to police cadets, and it wasn't until listening to your episode that I learned that Graham, the victim,
What are you doing?
and the police officers beating the crap out of him were right.
What are you doing?
We've got
Why aren't your lights on?
So anyway, Officer
Because you're
Earl
stupid.
writes, I have been a juvenile probation officer, juvenile detention officer, adult correctional officer.
Get off the phone.
No. Oh shit! To get Afghan allies out of there as soon as possible. So that discussion is held tonight. We also today saw the federal government deploy a different kind of expedited rescue force. This time here at home in the great state of Mississippi. Local officials today in Mississippi expressed gratitude for the team of federal doctors and nurses and pharmacists and other medical personnel that have been deployed from the federal government.
Nope, no one in the car.
Personnel,
Cool.
basically to try to save the
Real
collapsing
cool.
hospital system.
Good driving. Very good. Parking in a crosswalk. Very good.
You again.
That your control is the fact that as you roll, you're gonna get closer.
Wow, way to pull all the way in.
Just
In your
naturally,
tiny little
right?
Golf.
You should expect that to expect the outcome.
Too difficult.
And then the idea is, like, I'd say, like, either through prayer, just
Sidewalk's right there.
If you were to roll, you'd be like, okay.
Ooh, what do we have here? Someone illegally parked that I just reported. Prank war.
He is barely my assholes.
Really? Why are you stopped here?
National Geographic's Welcome to Earth, starring Will Smith, is a new 6-part original series coming to Disney Plus December 8th. Smith embarks on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure across the globe alongside some of the world's top explorers. Take a ride through Earth's mind-bending portal and observe the strangest, most unusual spectacle.
Parking's over there, stupid.
Oh, parking?
Yeah, this is not parking.
Okay, thank
This is a bike lane, and you're sticking out halfway into the road.
Thank you, sir.
He legit did not know that that was not a parking spot. Wow. Wow. That's special.
No, like when
I don't know. I feel like Morgan would be cool with it, but I get your point. I get your point.
Right,
Most people
right.
would.
Most people would say, I would like an exclusive right to the place that I'm going to rent. And I would say, oh, well, yeah, I can't.
But he still writes some letters, and he's still a caring father, and it really comes out in his letters. His letters are really wonderful, and he reads them, and so we give them to patrons, and he gets a lot of messages about how much people love these letters. And so if you're interested in hearing Tom's heartfelt letters to his boys, you can become a patron, and you can hear that audio. So,
we've seen those officials.
Don't park in the bike lane.
Think about doing it in 2021. So, it's good.
Is it already out?
You can always come back up for more.
Wrong side. Supposed to ride with traffic. Why are you driving down the other side? Anyone in the car? Nope. That's not how that works.
Elections officials were some of the biggest heroes of the 2020 election. After a grueling year that saw a pandemic, unprecedented disinformation efforts,
Now everybody thinks that this lane is the straight lane.
Stood up to pressure from
Oh my
political
God.
actors seeking to overturn or cast doubt on the election results in key states. This collective bipartisan effort helped avoid a constitutional.
See that no parking sign right next to you? No parking. It doesn't matter. Are you broken down?
I doubt it.
See my hazards on, dipshit? Wow, several people. Oh yeah. I think that is the same car. Yep. Yep. People never learn. Don't park in the bike lane.
But I'm just trying to keep it out. And the dog keeps me going.
I have a dog, and I still don't do that. But I also have a yard. So, but I'd be so happy if I took her for a walk. She needs it. I should do it for her, if not for myself.
So, the way that I sometimes
Bro.
right.
Yeah.
And I create this thing, this narrative of he needs.
Yeah.
Very good. Stop well beyond the stopping line.
Yes.
Wrong way.
Yeah,
Supposed to ride in the street, not the sidewalk.
This question is because, well, yeah, this example doesn't really make a difference in your life. But if we take it on another scale, like for example, saying when somebody kills somebody else intentionally versus somebody else who just killed somebody accidentally, like why the first one would be judged for 25 years and the other one would be judged for 6 months?
Because there's a difference.
Right in the street, fucker.
Intent and accident. There's a reason why when you look
Bike
at
lane right over here.
Ancient codexes about law.
Hours of testimony to the U.S. Senate Judiciary Committee. In his testimony, he reaffirmed that investigations into Fulton County by state officials and the FBI
What are you doing?
did not yield any evidence of voter fraud.
Why were you
It
stopped?
simply does not exist. Republicans are acting in bad faith.
Literally an entire circle drive right there. Oh no, they're coming for me. Use the bike lane! Oh no, they're coming for me. Oh wait, no they're not.
Detox, reflex, foot massage, death in towers, tarot cards, psychic healing, crystal balls, Bigfoot, Yeti, aliens,
signal?
churches, mosques, and
What's that?
synagogues, temples, dragons.
Why would we need to do that?
Atlantis, dolphins.
Did you ever see the movie Training Day with Denzel Washington? Watch the end of it because we'll be coming after you this week. So when that happens, we simply pass those on to our chief of police and he goes up the line with Homeland Security, FBI, and so forth. So we have had, as a result of these threats, security for me and my family. I mean, it's unthinkable in this day and age in a country like ours, in a county like Fulton County, that we have to go to these extremes to protect someone who is simply.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm concerned about it, but what I am concerned about, though, is that
What are you doing?
these threats, as many people who simply volunteer.
What is anybody doing?
Work as volunteers in our election.